With the ZEB-REVO scanner, the three-dimensional measuring and digital capture of buildings is very easy. The portable ZEB-REVO consists of the REVO scanning head and a data logger. The assembly of the components is very simple. Connect the data logger with the scanner and switch the system on. Wait a few seconds for the automatic calibration, and then you are ready to scan. The additional ZEB-REVO RT enables even better control of the scan results already during the scanning process. It collects and processes scan data simultaneously. The ZEB-REVO can be used anywhere and captures all data simply by walking. No mounting and alignment of classical laser scanners anymore. During acquisition, the rotating scanner head scans the surroundings with a high-precision laser, which captures more than 40,000 points per second. The indoor range of the scanner is 30 meters, meaning that an indoor survey is incredibly quick to complete. With the ZEB-REVO RT, the point cloud is visibly built up on your web-enabled device. For optimal scan results, the SLAM indicator shows during scanning how well features are detected in the respective environment. The RT allows the display only up to a certain height, which can be set by means of a controller on the display. Thus, a rudimentary ground plan of the building is already obtained during the scanning process. In the upper left corner, you can see the duration of the scan. This helps the surveyor manage scan time and data size. To control details, you can zoom in and out of the point cloud. The point cloud can be viewed in 2D or 3D immediately after acquisition. ZEB-CAM is an additional accessory for the ZEB-REVO that adds vision and context to your 3D data. Scanning outdoors is also no problem with the ZEB-REVO. The ZEB-REVO captures all building details within a radius of 15 meters. Therefore, the ZEB-REVO is ideal in obtaining a high-resolution point cloud of a building in a very short time. After completion of the scan, the ZEB-REVO automatically compresses the collected data and transfers it to a USB flash drive. The registration of the point cloud data is also incredibly simple with the GeoSLAM Hub software. Choose the desired point clouds for further processing. Just drag and drop into GeoSLAM Hub. After processing, you get the complete point cloud of the scan. You will also see the path you took during scanning and the video taken with the ZEB-CAM during scanning. You can make notes and remarks for colleagues and project partners on certain details and areas in the point cloud. With the merge function, 2 point clouds can be aligned very quickly and easily. Click on Merge in GeoSLAM Hub and select the point clouds you want to combine. The point clouds can be colored for a better context and readability of the data. In the colored point cloud, features such as doors, windows, desks, chairs, etc. are easier to identify. For further processing in CAD or BIM systems, you can export the point clouds in multiple industry standard file formats. After automated processing, the final point cloud data are converted into LAS format and can be edited with GeoSLAM Draw. High-quality rendered 2D views are fully automatically generated. A top view, a front, and a side view. Create any desired cross-sections or floor plans, leaving out the doors and windows, to determine the layout and produce a vectorized 2D plan out of it. Calculate the size of the rooms efficiently and effortlessly. No need to navigate and partition 3D point clouds. Guided vectorization helps to quickly and almost fully automatically generate the 2D plans. Smart tools to easily complete all missing lines within minutes are also available. With the integrated 3D viewer, you can get the entire 3D point cloud view of the project. rotate the complete view, zoom in and out, change the field of view or the size of the points. In order to display only a certain vertical area of the point cloud, you can specify the exact heights in which the point cloud should be visible. Using GeoSLAM Draw, the local coordinate system can also be converted into a global coordinate system. GeoSLAM Draw supports the export for all common CAD programs in file formats like DXF, DWG, or DAE. The Pro version of GeoSLAM Draw includes other useful functions. Import and register additional scan data in proprietary formats, calculate volumes and profiles. Capturing speed up to 8 times faster than with terrestrial scanners. Time saving due to a fully automatic registration process. Simple and efficient 2D plan generation. No point cloud conversion for CAD required.